Stop scrolling. This isn't about fitness, and it's not about walking. It's about why millions are shelling out big bucks for something that looks boring. No screens, no fancy features, no gym vibes, just walking. Yet this foldable treadmill is invading home offices, apartments, and remote setups worldwide. Some call it life-changing. Others, overpriced junk. But here's the truth. No one explains. People aren't buying it to exercise. They're buying it because they're sick of sitting all day and failing at fitness routines. Once you get that, it clicks. So forget, is the Walking Pad A1 Pro good? The real question, why does this simple thing beat most fitness plans? Stick around for the full breakdown, real reviews, and surprising facts. And if you haven't, subscribe to USA Vibes, where we decode viral trends, buyer motivations, and what really works. Let's dive in.
And no, it's not designed for running marathons. It's designed for real life. Small apartments, home offices, standing desks. You walk while working, while watching videos, while answering emails, and that's where it gets interesting. This idea didn't even start in the US. It first took off in Asia, where living spaces are smaller and work hours are longer. People needed movement without changing their lifestyle. That's the key. This isn't a fitness product first, it's a lifestyle product, and that's exactly why people noticed it. Now, let me be honest. When something trends this hard, there are only two possibilities. Either it's genuinely useful, or it's just expensive hype. So I looked at it from a real-world perspective. Not specs, not marketing words, just daily use. Here's my personal opinion, and this part matters. Honestly, the Walking Pad A1 Pro makes you move without asking for motivation. No gym clothes, no getting ready. No willpower required. You just start walking. And that's powerful. Because motivation is unreliable. Systems are not. Now let's talk about how people actually feel when they use it. Psychology first. Most people hate exercise because it feels like extra work. Walking is different. It feels natural. It feels safe. It feels easy. So your brain doesn't resist it. That's why people keep using it. Not because it's exciting, but because it's frictionless. And frictionless habits always win. Now, the trend side. Why is this everywhere on YouTube, Reddit, and TikTok? Because remote work changed everything. People realized they were moving less than ever. Back pain, low energy, weight gain, and suddenly a foldable walking pad doesn't sound crazy. Now let's talk pricing. Yes, it's expensive. In the US, it's premium. In Europe, even higher. In Pakistan, it feels like luxury. So the real question isn't, is it cheap? The real question is convenience worth paying for? Here's the reality. It's quiet. Not silent, but apartment-friendly. It feels solid. It folds smoothly. No drama. The app works, but you don't even need it. And yes, it's not super wide. Some people complain about that. Honestly, if you walk normally, it's fine. If you walk like you're avoiding landmines, maybe not. Now, the hype problem. Some people expect it to replace the gym. That's unrealistic. This is not for runners. This is for consistency. And consistency beats intensity every single time. Here's something nobody tells you. You don't feel the benefit on day one. You feel it after 2 weeks. Better focus, less stiffness, more daily energy, and one day you realize you walked thousands of steps without working out. That's the moment it clicks. Now let me be clear, this is not for everyone. If you love running, skip it. If you want sweat, skip it. If you love gym culture, skip it. But if you sit too much, work from home, or always say, I don't have time, this might be worth it. My final verdict? In my view, the Walking Pad A1 Pro isn't special because it's fancy. It's special because it quietly changes behavior, and behavior change is rare. It's special because it quietly changes behavior, and behavior change is rare. Now I want to hear from you. Would you walk while working if this was under your desk? Would you pay for convenience instead of motivation? Or do you think this is just another trend? Drop your thoughts below. Because here on USA Vibes, we don't hype products. We explain why people buy them. And if this video changed how you see walking pads, share it with someone who sits too much and keeps saying next week. Because sometimes the smartest fitness move is the one that doesn't feel like fitness at all.